how to measure distance on Google Maps. So if you're using Google Maps and you want to measure a particular distance while you want to navigate through the Google Maps, so you can use Google Map or Google Earth. So here basically you're going to make use of the Google Maps application and show you how to measure distance on it. So if you don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open the App Store on your phone. If on Android or iPhone, open Play Store or App Store. Then make sure you search for Google Maps. So search for Google Maps. Now make sure you upgrade the Google Maps to the latest version. So if you're using an outdated Google Maps, you might not be able to measure or calculate the distance using the Google Map. Then open it. Now once you open the Google Map, hang on for it to open and you're going to see the Google Maps just like this. Then you want to search for where you are going to. So let's say search for the location on the maps. So just search for it like this. Then on the map, you should see direction and then things like this. Click on more, then you should see download maps offline. However, if you press and hold where you're going to, just like this, then you should see a pin dropped. And then once a pin dropped, just swipe up on it like this, then you should see measure distance. Then go ahead and click on measure distance. Once you selected measure distance, then drag it from that place to your location like this. Just drag on the maps to where your location is. You can see I have home here. Then click on add a point. Then if you readjust the maps just like this, then you should see your location or the distance you're going to cover on the maps. Here I have about 1.9 kilometers. Then if I choose to move further like this, I can add a point. Then again, move to another location. I can add a point. Then come back again to the starting point and then add a point. Then you're going to see the total distance you're going to cover here. So thereafter, you can just adjust to the maps like this and see the location pattern on the maps, as well as the distance you're going to cover here. So that's basically how to measure distance on Google Maps. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.